In this video, you'll learn how to create a backend using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will set up a functional backend project that you can customize and expand according to your needs. Begin by opening PowerShell, a terminal on your computer. This command line interface will allow you to enter commands needed for backend development. Once your terminal is open, create a new folder for your backend project by typing me again, my backend, and pressing enter. This command creates a directory named my backend. To navigate into this new folder, type cd my backend and press enter. You should now see the command prompt indicating you are inside the me backend folder. Next, initialize your project for backend development using Claude Code. Type Claude in it and press enter. This command prepares your project structure, setting it up for the next steps in development. You will receive a confirmation message in the terminal once the initialization is complete, indicating that your project is ready for the next phase. Now generate the backend skeleton by typing Claude generate backend -language Python -framework for STAPI and pressing enter. This command creates a ready-to-run backend project complete with directories for routes, models, services, and tests. It also includes a sample get endpoint for testing purposes. If you prefer to use JavaScript with Node.js, you can substitute Python with JavaScript and FastAPI with Express in the command. After generating your backend skeleton, it's time to run the server. Type Claude run and hit enter. This command starts the development server, and you will see the terminal display a URL, typically formatted as http://127.00180. This URL indicates where your backend server is running locally. To test your backend, open a web browser and enter the URL displayed in your terminal. Alternatively, you can use a command like curl http://127.0018000/ in the terminal. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a JSON response similar to message, hello world. This confirms that your backend is functioning as intended. To add more functionality, you can create new endpoints easily. For example, to create a new endpoint for adding items, type Claude, create endpoint-method, post path/items-description, create new item, and press enter. This command will set up a new endpoint that allows you to handle item creation requests effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.